Welcome to this guide on cloud versus on-premises infrastructure. In today's technology landscape, organizations face a critical decision about where to host their computing resources. This choice between traditional on-premises infrastructure and modern cloud computing has significant implications for cost, flexibility, and operations. Throughout this presentation, we'll explore the fundamental differences between these two approaches to help you understand which model might be right for different business scenarios. Let's start by understanding on-premises infrastructure. On-premises, often shortened to on-prem, refers to traditional infrastructure where all hardware and software are physically located within your own facility, such as a company data center or office building. With this model, the organization owns all the equipment, including servers, networking devices, and storage systems. This means you have complete responsibility for purchasing, installing, maintaining, and managing every aspect of your technology infrastructure. Everything runs locally under your direct physical control. Now let's examine cloud infrastructure. Cloud computing represents a fundamentally different approach, where computing resources are provided by third-party vendors and accessed remotely over the internet. Instead of owning physical hardware, you rent computing power, storage, and services from cloud providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud. The provider owns and operates massive data centers around the world, and you simply access the resources you need through an internet connection. The cloud provider handles all the physical infrastructure maintenance, updates, and operations. One of the most significant differences lies in how these models handle costs. On-premises infrastructure follows a capital expenditure model, commonly abbreviated as CapEx. This means making large upfront investments to purchase servers, networking equipment, and other hardware. You pay for the full capacity whether you use it all or not, and these assets depreciate over time. In contrast, cloud computing operates on an operational expenditure model, or OpEx. This is a pay-as-you-go approach where you only pay for the resources you actually consume, similar to how you pay for electricity. There's no large upfront investment, just ongoing operational costs that scale with your usage. Scalability differs dramatically between these two models. With on-premises infrastructure, your capacity is limited by the physical hardware you've purchased and installed. If you need more computing power, you must go through the time-consuming process of ordering new equipment, waiting for delivery, and physically installing and configuring it in your data center. This can take weeks or even months. Cloud computing offers near-instant scalability. If you need more resources, you can provision them in minutes with just a few clicks or API calls. The cloud provides virtually unlimited resources that can be scaled up during busy periods and scaled down when demand decreases, giving you unprecedented flexibility. Maintenance responsibilities vary greatly between these approaches. When you choose on-premises infrastructure, your organization assumes full responsibility for all hardware maintenance, software updates, security patches, and system upgrades. This requires hiring and maintaining a dedicated IT staff with the necessary expertise to manage everything from server hardware to network equipment. In the cloud model, the provider handles most infrastructure maintenance automatically. They manage hardware repairs, perform software updates, apply security patches, and ensure the underlying systems remain operational and up to date. This significantly reduces the management burden on your internal IT team. Security and control present different trade-offs in each model. On-premises infrastructure gives you complete physical control over your data and systems. You implement and manage all security measures according to your specific requirements, which is particularly important for highly regulated industries. However, you bear full responsibility for protecting everything. Cloud computing follows what's called a shared responsibility model. The cloud provider secures the underlying infrastructure, including physical data centers, networking hardware, and host systems. Meanwhile, you remain responsible for securing your data, managing user access, and protecting your applications. While you have less direct physical control, Major cloud providers often implement security measures that exceed what most organizations can afford to build themselves. Let's summarize the key differences. On-premises infrastructure offers complete control over your technology stack, but requires high upfront capital investment and places the full maintenance burden on your organization. Cloud computing provides flexible, scalable resources with a pay-as-you-go pricing model and shared management responsibilities with the provider. The right choice depends on several factors, including your business requirements, budget constraints, compliance obligations, and available technical resources. Many organizations today adopt hybrid approaches, using both on-premises and cloud infrastructure to balance the benefits of each model. Understanding these differences is crucial for making informed decisions about your technology infrastructure.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.